Unleash your creativity and get your short stories noticed on Inkitt with this quick, step-by-step guide. First, head over to the Inkitt website and log into your writer account. Once you're logged in, locate and click the Upload button a circumflex euros. It's usually in the top right corner of your dashboard. This will take you to the story creation page here. You'll need to enter your story's title, make it catchy and relevant to your story to draw readers in. Next, craft a compelling synopsis or description for your short story. This is your chance to hook potential readers and tell them what your story is all about. Keep it concise and intriguing. Now, for the story itself, Inkitt allows you to upload your short story in various formats. You can either paste your text directly into the editor or upload a document. Common formats like doc, docx, and txt are usually accepted. Pay attention to basic formatting. Ensure your paragraphs are clearly separated, while Inkitt handles most of the display. Clean formatting in your original document makes a better first impression and translates well. A great cover is crucial for visibility. Click on the cover image upload area. Your cover should be eye-catching and represent the genre and mood of your short story. Aim for a square aspect ratio, typically around 500x 500 pixels or larger, to ensure it looks good on all devices. Before you hit submit, take a moment to review your submission guidelines. Check that your story meets Inkitt's content policies. Ensure all your uploaded files and information are correct. Once you're satisfied with everything, it's time to share your work. Click the Publish or Submit Story button. Congratulations! Your short story is now live on Inkitt, ready to be discovered by readers worldwide. Now you're all set to share your amazing short stories and become part of the vibrant Inkitt community.